Hi everyone, let's begin the new video. Let's learn to spell which. W, good job. H, I, C, H. Ho ho. W, H, I, C, H. Which, outstanding. Let's learn to spell Y. W, H, well done. Y. Ho ho. W, H, Y. Y. Perfect. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Wish. W, I, S, H. Ho ho. W, I, S, H. Wish. Fantastic. Work. W, O, R, K. Ho ho. W, O, R, K. Work. Good job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Old. W, good job. O, U, L, D. Ho ho. W, O, U, L, D. Old. Right. W, good job. R, I, T, E. Ho ho. W, R, I, T, E. Right. Mistakes help us grow. Never stop trying. Your. Y, O, U, R. Ho ho. Y, O, U, R. Your. Good job. Keep learning, keep shining. About. A, good job. B, O, U, T. Hooray! A, B, O, U, T. About. Better. B, E, T, T, E. Good job. R. Ho ho. B, E, T, T, E, R. Better. Bring. B, good job. R, I, N, G. Hooray! B, R, I, N, G. Bring. Outstanding. Carry. C, well done. A, R, R, Y. Ho ho. C, A, R, R, Y. Good job. Carry. Outstanding. Smart minds grow with curious questions. Clean. C, fantastic. L, E, A, N. Woohoo! See? L-E-A-N. Outstanding. Clean. Good job. Thank you for watching this video.